cancer care in the twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad. And as you all aware, cancer is a major disease that is affecting the population of our country. And we are expecting approximately about 1.4 million new cancer patients in this country. And more important is that the younger patients are more and more affected with cancer in our country. The average age incidence compared to the world average is about 10 years younger in India. And this year we are expecting about 50,000 pediatric cancer patients in this country. So we need, of course, we do have reasonably good facilities today. Cancer actually is not a very deadly disease as most of you think of. And today almost about 65% of all the cancers can be cured with all the new technology that is available with us, the new drugs that are available, and the new surgical facility, the methods that are being utilized to treat cancer.